Sunrise and Shine guys. Currently, nasa El Nido kami ngayon. Kahapon, hindi ko na na-vlog yung aming arrival. But here, today is our day 1 here in El Nido. In El Nido, Palawan. So, currently, naka-check-in kami ngayon dito sa may Las Cabañas, sa may Marigmig Beach. And this will be our accommodation for 3 nights. Guys, ito yung resort na na-stayhan namin ngayon. Ayan. Tapos dito kami ngayon nakastay sa para 2-story din lang na accommodation. This will be our accommodation for 2 nights guys. At nabook namin ito sa Agoda for only parang masisa around 23,000 to 25,000. For 3 nights, good for 4. So may free breakfast na siya class guys, buffet. So ngayon is mag-breakfast na tayo. Then after this, isang activity natin for today's video is island hopping tayo dito sa El Nido. Kasi yung mga kasamahan ko first time na lang mag-El Nido. So me is parang ikatlong balik ko na dito sa El Nido. But still, I'm still loving the beach here in Palawan sa may El Nido. So yung ito-tour natin for today is yung napili namin na yung kinuha na at napili namin is yung Tour B. Kasi isa yun sa mga may magagandang beaches dito sa El Nido. At saka gusto ko talagang balikan yung Entalula at saka Pinaguyutan Island. So later on, we will check kung ganun pa rin pa talaga kaganda yung isla na yun when I first visited here in El Nido. So mag-room tour tayo guys. Ito yung facade ng aming accommodation. So ang daming halaman. Ayan. So meron silang sort of terrace here. So November ang ating so meron 2 double bed. Malaki siya guys. And so mag-breakfast kami una guys. First agenda for today. So yung breakfast na included is buffet. So perfect talaga. Yun ang paborito ni Novem. Dito na yung restaurant nila guys. Buffet, Jaya. Ayan. Wow! Ang ganda din dito, besh. Rio. Oh my gosh. Ito yung breakfast nila guys. Wow! Rice, may parang eggplant, may bacon, and fruits. Ito parang to. So we are now off to island hopping. So yung ating island hopping na napili, the only island hopping for this visit is the Tour B. Kakaubanan karon, we have Novem, ang The Animal. Tapos meron pa doong dalawa yung ating coupling, Beshi Besh and Claridel. Ito yung pool ng Las Cabañas guys. Ayan. Actually guys, dito sa Las Cabañas, parang makikita mo na yung isang spot ng tour nila dito. Ayan. Ayan. That is the Helicopter Island. So meron parang malapit na island there sa Las Cabañas. Pwede yata siyang nakarit papunta dyan. So baka ma-explore natin yan siya dyan bukas. Sa mga challenge talaga dito guys, pag pumunta ka ng Las Cabañas is yung daanan, this is the only way para makapunta doon sa Las Cabañas. So kailangan mo nakarit itong shoreline na ito. So I highly suggest guys, kasi yung Las Cabañas naman to nagko-contact sila sa inyo when you book to them. So magpaano kayo guys, magpakuha kayo ng porter kasi may free porter naman dito sa Las Cabañas. Especially pag may dala kayong mga luggage. Medyo mahirap talaga siya. Ito yung island na makikita natin guys sa harap ng Las Cabañas. Guys, nandito na yung Vanilla Beach. Ito yung tinatawag nila na Vanilla Beach. Ayan. Tapos doon sa dulo, yung Las Cabañas. Okay, madadaanan din pala kayong mga stores guys dito before reaching the Vanilla Beach. Park going dito guys, papunta ng Marigmig is along the highway. Makita mo na yung McDonald's. You just have to walk here. Doon, palabas. Yan yung National Highway guys. Dito na yung McDonald's. Diyan papasok. Yung Las Cabañas. So dito na yung ating sundo. Okay, dito pala. Guys, sa town proper na tayo ng El Nido. So pasok tayo dito.
Mura lang naman po sa atin, sir. Opo, kondo naman lang.
Gosh, ang daming tao. Today is Undas, November 1. So, ang daming people on the earth. Guys, just ang daming tao over there. Oh my God. Ito na naman yung mga struggling part dito sa El Nido. Guys, this is our first destination, Cathedral Cove. Cathedral Cove, Kiev kasi para daw may cathedral sa loob, guys.
Be!
Hello! Kamusta pa? Nagkala siya tayo mag-wake be. This is the Cathedral Cove, guys. So, may ano siya. May limestone sa loob. May area. Yellow line. Ayan. This will be our second spot. Snorkeling lang yung activity dito, guys. This is just few meters from the Cathedral Cave. When I was here before, wala pa itong ganitong snorkeling activity. So right now is meron. Tapos for this tour B, hindi natin napupuntahan yung pinagtuyutan, guys. Kasi private island na daw siya. Ang saan? Ganda pa naman yun na island. There you go.
Sige, pag-concert daw, pina Mariah Carey.
Our third spot is our lunch area. So, dito tayo mag-lunch na vegan.
That they get here, they put it on the museum located on the Tewel side. So this is gonna be our lunch area. Just give us time to prepare the foods and we will take our lunch on the beach area located in front. Oh, sorry. So yeah, yours. Enjoy your lunch. Bon appetit.
Kudognon Cave, guys. Dito din yung ating lunch spot. So for this time, yes, meron tayong dalawa dedicated na tent for this. Ayan. So Kudognon Cave is matagal na daw siyang private na resort, guys. So there is a 100 pesos entrance fee separate from the tour package that we paid. No? So just take note of that. Okay, so of course this is also a spot for a TikTok. Okay, pak. Gisigda na ang TikTok sa ating mga TikTokeries. Pak. Dito sa Kudognon Cave, guys, meron silang cave dito. Pwede natin siyang puntahan. Yan, may daanan dyan papunta sa sa cave. At the same time, may daanan dito banda din sa shore. Papasok ng cave. Okay, so pasukin natin yung cave, guys, na nandito daw. Ito na yung loob ng cave, guys. Ito pala yung ano dito, yung cave. The other one is yung panasukan natin. Yung pangalawa is doon banda sa may shore. Doon yung parang may susuungin ka na lagusan papunta sa loob ng second cave. I think we will not be going to the second cave na. Guys, ating fourth stop is Snake Island.
Of the Snake Island on top, there's a hiking activities there. It's like 5 to 10 minutes hiking.
That is the Snake Island. Yan. So it's a sandbar guys na nagsistretch on that island. Up to there. You can get the view, better view of the Snake Island if you are going to hike sa mountain. Ayan, so if you want to get the better view of the Snake Island, okay, tingin ka lang sa aking likod. Yan na yung snake dyan. Oh. Teka, check natin yung ano. Yan guys. Ayan. So daan yung sandbarring that stretches to the next land. If you want to get a better view of the Snake Island, you hike there. Ano, para makita mo yung parang snake na curve ng sandbar. We are now on our last stop. This is one of the favorite islands. Gusto ko itong balikan sa tour B, the Entalula. But I think we are out of gas. Parang out of gas tayo guys. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Guys, medyo na-stranded po tayo. Kasi may sira yung bangka. So we are in the middle of the ocean. Ayan guys, so hinila na tayo ng isang bangka. Going to Entalula Island. Thank you, Kuya.
Okay. Sige po.
This will be our last stop, the Entalula Island.
Saan daw? O, sige daw.
Now back at the town. It's kind of gloomy guys, pero okay lang siya kasi wala. So hindi tayo mangingitim. We're back at the town proper guys. We are now already off to Vanilla Beach guys. So medyo natagalan tayo today because nagkakaberya ang sasakang boat. So 5:30 na tayo nag-arrive sa town. So yun, the entire tricycle na nakuha namin guys is 150 pesos. Oo, papunta 2 packs lang yung cash yan.
Hindi na kasha eh.
Ayan.
Oo, pala pinanamin ka na nakuha.
Wala sa 8 to 17 lang. Ayan guys. Galing lang sa ulan.